Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing not only my January Redbubble earnings, but also my February Redbubble earnings. So obviously I missed the January Redbubble earnings video and I kind of forgot about it because I've been working on some other stuff, but I still want to share with you guys because I know you guys love those videos, so I'm just putting together January and February. So it's basically like a two-in-one video for you guys. So I do want to start out by saying that February and January were definitely not my highest months, and I think combined they might have totaled one of my higher months, but yeah, I think with, you know, Christmas and everything being over, people had stopped buying for a little bit, and every year I see the same dip in my sales at this time, so I'm not concerned because it is still more than last year, so I'm happy with that. But let me share the actual numbers with you and then get into my analytics. But before I get into the numbers, give this video a thumbs up if you like seeing all my monthly reports, and subscribe to my channel for a lot more. Okay, so that being said, in January I earned about $545 US from Redbubble. So definitely a dip from the month before, which was Christmas, so obviously I was expecting that. I think it was about half or almost half less than that. And in Canadian, that came out to $767.47, so that's what actually went into my bank account, so not too bad with the conversion rate there. And now for February, which I just got paid last week, I believe, I ended up earning $400 US from Redbubble, so a little bit of a dip again, but that's okay. I'll show you guys when I get into it that it's still more than last year, so I'm happy with that. And that came out to about 510 Canadian dollars. So that being said, let me get into my actual analytics and show you guys what I sold, what did well that month. Okay, so let's get into my laptop. Okay, so here I am on my dashboard, and let's just see what my top earnings by artwork was. Let's see. Oh, let me just look into the last 30 days. Okay, so unfortunately I don't have this data for January because that time frame has passed, but I do have it for the last 30 days, which is essentially what my February payment was made out of. So as you can see here, a few good days in January, but mostly no sales at the end of January. And then February was pretty good at the beginning, so I'm guessing some Valentine's Day gifts were probably sold at that point, even though I don't really have like Valentine's Day themed things, so definitely not the best shop to buy from in that sense. February 10th, 11th, 12th, little to no sales, and then it picked up again after mid-February, but those sales didn't even go on to February's payment, so I'm not really counting that. And then for earnings by artwork and product from January 25th to February 23rd, which once again, like I said, is skewed, but that's okay. So the classic blue ocean waves, and let's see what products. Oh, okay, shower curtains did the best, which is kind of random because they usually don't. Duvet covers did well, A-line dress, throw pillow, bath mat. Honestly, it's a random mix of things like it always is. I feel like all of my items for Blue Ocean Waves that sell always move around, and this list always looks different. So I don't know, it's cool to see how it changes every month because I really never know what I'm gonna get. And then Palm Tree by the Beach was the second best. I wonder if they had sales on shower curtains or something because I didn't notice selling that many before. Pink and purple, or pink, purple, and blue summer sunset was the next one. Only made one sale with that. Only made one sale with this one. Oh, baby one piece, that's kind of cool. This aqua blue water one made 2 sales. Let's see the next one. And then just some more ocean patterns that made sales as the top earnings. And then my traffic was 9,960, so I feel like that was definitely a bit lower than my usual amount. Social media definitely played the highest role in that, and then Redbubble was probably second, and organic traffic was third. So it's really interesting to see that a lot of my traffic is coming from social media. I think I've said this before, but like I don't post about my store anymore, so I don't know who is, and it's probably just Redbubble like advertising it, and I'm guessing that's where it's coming from. But yeah, it's shocking that such a big portion comes from there when I personally don't do anything for my social media to promote my designs. But I'm gonna have to look into that and see where it's coming from, or like what it contains, because I feel like social media is such a broad category. So if any of you guys know what exactly is included in that, let me know in the comments below. But yeah, I'm curious to know. And then let's see my shares. I feel like my shares is on par for what it usually is. I don't think it's usually much more than this. Yeah, same as the other one, mostly social media. So I guess maybe that's where some of the traffic is coming from, if people are sharing it on social media and then like their friends or family see. But yeah, I'm not 100% sure if that's all it counts for. Okay, so let's go into my payment history so you guys can see, you know, the proof that the numbers were there. So January 2021, I got $545, February 400, and as you can see this month I'm not doing too well either, so I really need to post a little bit more and start adding some new designs. Okay, so let's go into the details of the January payment and see what I sold. I'll definitely have to go way back for this one because it's been a while, so it might be on page 3 here. Okay, so I'm just starting here on December 25th. So we had Samsung Galaxy case, sticker, phone case, metal print, poster, some more phone cases, throw pillows. Nothing too interesting yet. Some more masks. I feel like people have really slowed down with buying masks, or maybe just not my masks, but let me know if you guys have seen a slowdown in your mask sales too. I feel like that was definitely a trend for the summer and probably not going to see that again. Oh, there's that shower curtain. More phone cases, more shower curtain. Yeah, really curious why I sold so many shower curtains. Socks, that's kind of random, but cool. Okay, let's go into the next page. Okay, so this is at the beginning or mid-January. Lots of stickers, socks, another shower curtain, MacBook Air case. That's kind of cool. I don't usually sell those. A chiffon top. Wow, that is really interesting. I don't know if I've seen that one before. And they're from the province that I live in, Canada, which is pretty cool that someone from there bought it. I always wonder like where people are buying it from and if like anyone from my city has bought it. Actually, I do have a funny story to tell you guys about that. I'll share it after I get out of the screen share, but it's pretty cool. Yeah, nothing too interesting, just my usual stuff. There's like certain items that I always look out for where I'm like, oh, did I sell it this month? Because like I've never seen sell it before. Like, I don't know, backpacks, even though I've sold maybe like 1 or 2, or aprons, stuff like that. That's kind of random. I get excited over the random purchases for some reason. A lot of A-line dresses, and those actually go for about $20 margins. So yeah, those are really good. I didn't know that they went for that much. Duvet cover again. Obviously that's one of the highest with $29. A lot of posters, more shower curtain, and a zipper pouch, which actually goes for more than I thought for the margin. So yeah, that's pretty much it on the dashboard side of things. Okay, so those are my January and February analytics and earnings. I hope you guys liked watching that. I'll quickly share the story that I thought about while I was looking at that. So I saw that someone from my home province in Canada bought something from me, and I always wondered like if someone from my actual city bought something from me before. And the other month I actually found out that someone did by chance, and it was actually such a cool thing because what happened was that my sister was doing one of her online university courses, and you know, in the Zoom call you can see like all the other students on the side and like obviously like what their rooms look like and everything. So I was sitting beside her while she was doing that course, and I happened to look over at her screen, and the girl that was talking had an ocean poster in the background of her room. And I was like, oh my god, that looks really familiar. Like, it looks exactly like Blue Ocean Waves. And at this point, it's been like 4 years since Blue Ocean Waves has been selling, so I know exactly what it looks like. I feel like it's like ingrained in my brain forever. Like, even all the little foam bits or like the waves where they're placed, the color, everything, like I memorized it for sure. So I look and I'm like convinced that is Blue Ocean Waves, like 100%. So I pull up Blue Ocean Waves on my laptop just to compare it, and it's literally the exact same picture. And so my sister like knew this girl, and she messaged her in like the group chat for the class, and she's like, oh my god, is that from Redbubble, like Blue Ocean Waves? And she's like, yeah, it is. And me and my sister were freaking out because we're like, what are the odds that like I see someone with my artwork on their wall through her class? Like, I don't know, I just thought it was such a cool experience, and it's one of those things that I feel like you remember, and it's the first time I've ever seen someone else with any of my designs in person, or like, I don't know, just like naturally. So I thought it was really cool, and I feel like that just meant like I had reached like a certain level of success because I had randomly seen it somewhere. So clearly like enough people in the world have it that I'd randomly see it as a coincidence. I don't know if that makes sense, but that's kind of how I felt. So yeah, I thought that was just a cool story and want to share it with you guys. But for this one, I'm not gonna do too many goals for my next month because I am working on a few other things that have been taking up a lot of my time. I've been working on some really cool projects that I'll be sharing in the near future with you guys, and I think you guys will really like them. So that being said, I have one goal for this month, and it is just to post 10 to 15 designs on my Redbubble account. I think that's definitely doable, and it's just to get me back into the habit of being active on Redbubble and actually improving my store and adding to my store, because I feel like I've kind of pushed it in the back corner in the last 2 months. So I'm gonna try to do that, and hopefully I will have done that by the next earnings video, and hopefully that'll increase my sales a little bit. But yeah, I also have an Amazon merch video coming out soon because I'm at the halfway mark to getting out of tier 10, which I feel like it's also taking me a bit longer to get that up and running, and the last like month and a half I also haven't really worked on that, so I need to get back into gear and start pumping out more content on everything really, including YouTube. So now that I have a bit more free time, I will definitely get back into the swing of things. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have for today. Let me know how much you guys made in January or February, or if any of you guys had your first sales in those months, because I love hearing first sales stories. It's so exciting even to me to see those things. So yeah, let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to my channel if you liked watching this video, and give it a thumbs up to help support it. But other than that, I don't really have anything else to say for this video, so I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!